Hi, how you doing? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what web hosting is, what a domain is, and how to get web hosting in case you're trying to start a blog or you're trying to start a website. So basically what a domain is, for example, say we go to google.com. Google.com is the domain of Google. So google.com is the address where this website is located. So if you wanted to start a website, you will need an address. So it would be your website.com or your website.net or your website.org. Now what web hosting is what actually has all your pictures, what has all your text, what has all your assets for your website is pretty much what holds all your content. And you need both in order to have a website. So you need a domain and you need hosting. So in order for you to get hosting, the easiest way is to go to chrisripma.com/a2hosting. And if you go to this link directly, you're actually going to get a discount. And so I'll go ahead and leave this in the description as well. But this is the link, exactly how you spell it. So we're going to press enter. And it's going to take us to the A2 hosting website. And then there's going to be a 63% off. You're going to get a huge discount. Now, these three packages is you're going to choose from between the light or the swift. Now the light is only if you're going to be running one website. So if you're only going to have a blog and that's all you're going to have, you're not going to have any other websites, then you're going to get the light. If you're going to have more than one website, then I recommend you get the unlimited websites because then you're going to be able to host unlimited websites. And the turbo is actually a little bit faster, but I don't think that you need it, to be honest. I think that you'll do fine with the light and the swift, especially if you're starting out, because you're not going to be having a ton of traffic all of a sudden. And if you needed to upgrade, it's really easy to upgrade. So I would just recommend starting with the light or with the swift. So in this case, we're going to start with the light. And right here is where you're going to register your domain. So, for example, say I wanted to get this is my domain example. And we're going to check. We click on check. And it's going to check if this domain is available. Now, congratulations, this domain is available. And it's to continue to register this domain for $14.95. So that's how much it is for the year. Now we continue. Now this is going to give you the different packages that they have. Obviously you chose the light package, but it's going to give you what type of billing cycle you want. So if you want 36 months, if you want 24 months, which is going to be $70 for 24 months. If you want 12 months, which is going to be $39. And if you want to do it monthly. Now the monthly, it says $3.70. But what they don't tell you is that the next month they're actually going to charge you $9.99 per month. So eventually you're going to end up paying about $120 per year. So the one that I recommend is actually the 12 months. At least the 12 months. Now, if you could go for the 36 months, I will recommend that as well because even the 12 months, after the year is up, you're going to be paying $107 because you won't be having that discount anymore. So if you choose the 36 months in the long run, you'll save the most. But in this case, we're just going to get the 12 months. So right here, you just leave everything as is. If you see a server location that is closer to you, go ahead and select that. This one is actually the closest to me, which is Arizona. So we're going to keep going on that, and everything else, just leave it as default. And we're going to press continue. And then from here, the ID protection, I recommend you actually get this because if you don't get this, you're going to get a lot of spammers that are going to email you because your email and your phone number is actually going to be out there for everyone to see. It's going to be public information. So if you get the ID protection, no one's going to be able to see your personal information, and then no one's going to be able to call you and email you because it does happen. It happened to me. that I didn't get the ID protection one time, and I was getting calls left and right from web designers if I wanted them to design my website, or if I wanted SEO services. They're gonna call you left and right, and they're not gonna stop. It's gonna go on for years until your information is not out there anymore. So I recommend you get the ID protection, and then we're gonna press continue. So the total for the year is going to be 6482. That's going to include your domain. That's going to include the ID protection. So that's going to be, we're going to check out. Right here is just basic information. You're going to put your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your company name, your street address, and all this information. Sure, you'll be able to do this on your own. Um, Everything else just looks pretty standard. You're going to choose a password right here. You're going to choose a security password, and this is gonna be what you're gonna pay for this year, and then the following year this is gonna be the price. So that's why I recommend the 3 years. But if the 1 year, I think in a year you'll be able to really take off your website that this is gonna be like nothing. So right here you're gonna put your credit card. You're gonna use PayPal, or you could even do check or money order. But obviously you're gonna use credit card or PayPal. So right here you just enter that information. You want to join their mailing list. Um, I put no, but you could put yes if you want. And then you're gonna accept the terms and services. Now I'm gonna fill this out myself, and then I'll meet you on the other side.